Good morning, everybody.
Wow.
Here to rinse out another tie-dye.
Okay. What is a bug? Guys.
Oh no! Not a bug.
Well, you gotta go in the washing machine because drop it out either way.
It'll be alright.
Feels like
We've considered keeping them inside, and sometimes we do if it's cold enough. But
turn kind of like purpley.
oh yeah, that's neat.
I wanted it to be majority rainbow with a little bit of gray.
Yep.
I wanted the gray to just barely peek through.
You wanted a sweatpants spider web.
A what?
Sweatpants spider web, because they look like gray sweatpants.
Oh, it looks like sweatpants.
Sweatpants spider web. I think that this gray looks just like what do you call it? You know, like Champion pants or Russell pants.
Oh yeah,
Like
I
gray
didn't
Russell
think about
pants?
that.
Yeah. Gray sweatpants.
The rubber band's coming on.
I wonder if they use Mist Gray.
Alright, let's go.
To the inside.
Cold out there.
Inside with the hot water.
Pull the sleeves up so I don't get my sleeves all wet because that makes me miserable the rest of the day. Ooh.
Let's get it unbanded.
Well,
Quick one-hand band removal technique. You have some white and some gray. It looks like that's going to be beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect amount.
this one will be beautiful photographed.
Oh yeah.
That's my favorite part is when I photograph them.
Pop on camera.
And that nice camera I got just makes them like pop even more. I got a hand-me-down camera from my dad because my dad is like a professional photographer and he had a bunch of cameras. So he gave me an old one and it's like really old, but it still takes like really good pictures.
Still a DSLR.
Yeah.
HD DSLR.
It's like one of the very first DSLR cameras that Nikon made.
It's not one of the first, but
It was like it's like a 3500.
yeah. It's on back there.
That's what model it is. My dad has like a 5200.
Let's see what we got.
Cool.
Ooh.
I like it.
Nice. Look at
Pretty.
that. Nice. Wow.
Charlotte's Rainbow Web.
There you go. Charlotte's Rainbow Web. I like
great.
that. Little patterns on the end of all your little buckles are. Oh yeah. Nice.
Beautiful.
Super nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good if I say so myself. This was our classic tricolor on one side and mist gray on the other. And as you see, it left some wonderful striation. She left the dye kind of thin, which left a little bit of white as well, which was her intention. And it made this beautiful, almost pinwheel-like spiral with plenty of gray striation and all in it. It looks quite amazing, I think. Especially because you get a nice blend of colors, yet you can still see the individual colors as well. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.